can say that they went swimming in a cave. Pe Leng. So this is what we've woken up to, Pe Leng. As you can see, really, really beautiful. We'll be going on a boat tour up the river channel and to a cave. So we've got to go and book that up. But that's a really, really beautiful view. How calm that lake is, it's absolutely stunning. Brilliant fun!
Why are you too big for that?
I'm too big? Why am I too big?
No, down there. That's for this.
Oh, is it too big for me?
No, too big for that.
Too big for you, is it?
Yes. This is really cool. You've got this huge, great big empty void above me. I don't know how far up it goes, but there are lots of bats in there roosting. So there's another void over here, and I can hear many, many bats. I can clearly hear them. I can't see them. But they are there. Well, this is one of my more interesting experiences so far. my backdrop is a cave full of bats. So this has been really fun. I've enjoyed the boat journey, and we're not even a quarter of the way through. We've still got some rapids to see, waterfall, maybe a few other things as well. I'm hoping we might see some wildlife along the way. We've seen kingfishers, we've seen lots of fishermen by the side of the river fishing. It's been really cool. I'll have a walk back now and see what we can see. The bat colony are up there roosting. So now I've followed the path and I'm at the top of the cave. And you should have a nice viewpoint over here. Ah, you're up here too. And this is the view from the absolute top. That's the cave below. Hello! Hello! How many kids can say that they went swimming in a cave? Look how clear the water is. Absolutely crystal clear. Well, I've really enjoyed today. We've had the boat ride. Well, it's not finished yet. We've stopped off at our last stop. We've ordered some food and now we're just walking up to the waterfall and see what that looks like. Well, that was a lovely meal, all eaten up. That wasn't all of our families, that was for 2 families, by the way. You having fun? You be careful with that stick. Fishing. That looks like fun fishing. Look at the water, it's just so clear. Beautiful, relaxing place. Apparently this is the biggest natural lake in all of Vietnam.
which was a surprise because the rest of the big ones I've been to must all be reservoirs. But yeah, this is a beautiful place. Just going up now to have a look at the temple, Anma Temple. So let's go and see where that takes us. I think this is it here. Just there. We will see when we get there. Aha, there it is up there. You can see it through the trees. There we are.